Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and we will talk about a seldom known feature in computers, and this we could say is a universal feature for every computer. It's a way to shut down your computer when it's frozen. Now, computer freeze-ups happen even to the best computers. They should not occur very often, though. You should not have a computer freeze up every day. That's a problem. There's a sign of a problem if it freezes up every day. It freezes up once every 6 months. That's not much of a problem. A computer can freeze if something's wrong. You install a new software that's incompatible with it. You might have a driver problem in your computer, or you can have a once in the lifetime of the computer problem with a piece of hardware that's never going to come back again, but it froze up your computer. So you're on your screen, you see that your icons are frozen up, your mouse doesn't work anymore, nothing seems to do anything. Well, one of the first things that people do when they have a desktop is often unplugging it from the wall socket. That's actually probably the last resort. You should never do that. There's a way to shut down a computer even when it's frozen, and it involves that famous little power button on your computer. Now here, if I look, my power button is right here. And for the purpose of the demonstration, even though my computer is not frozen up, as you can see, I will do it because I want to show you what it does. If your computer is frozen up, just press and hold the power button, and I mean really hold it, for 5 consecutive seconds. 1, 2, 3. In my case, it's already off. 3 seconds wasn't off. But hold it for a good 5 seconds. This is really a universal way of unlocking your computer when it's frozen up, by pressing the power button for 5 seconds. Now, when you start up, after you pressed the button, you might have some text in the black screen. That text will tell you that your computer was improperly shut down, but that's totally normal, and you should actually use the normal startup procedure. One of the common mistakes of people that I told them to hold their power button for 5 seconds is that they didn't hold it for 5 seconds. They think they did hold it long enough, but often did not. So use a little procedure, like count giraffes, for example, 1 giraffe, 2 giraffes, to make sure that each second interval is 1 second. Another little thing that can happen with your computer is when you shut it down with the power button press for 5 seconds, you might see that it takes longer to start up afterwards. That's normal. The first startup after a bad shutdown often involves the computer cleaning up the hard drive of the last Windows session. So it's a little normal that it takes longer. But that's the easiest way and the best way to shut off your computer. Now, in the case where your power button doesn't shut it off, then you've got a bigger problem. It means that it might be hardware that's freezing up the computer, and so that even the computer doesn't respond to that command. So then you'll have no choice but to unplug from the wall socket and take the battery off. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to know when we have new videos online. We try to put videos every week. If you've got that new Windows 8 machine, it's a great way to keep in touch. If you have any comments, questions, or maybe a feature you'd like to see reviewed, then let us know, and you'll be helping others at the same time. Hope you enjoy our videos and that you'll come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.